Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. You're here with Many Tech, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys on something unique. So I'm going to take you guys through another alternative way where you can get music to your Apple library. I mean those on the iPhone. There is an alternative way you can get music to your Apple library without going through this subscription procedure. So we are not trying to conflict the rules of Apple industry or maybe trying to do something illegal. It's an existing thing that exists but people do not have an idea about, and I'm here to teach you on how you can get it to your music library for free. If you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly drop a subscription, turn on post notifications by clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I update my videos. Let's get to the video. So guys, to get the music to our Apple library on our mobile phone, this is what we need to do. So we need an application called 3U2s. This 3U2s is an application designed with special functionalities which performs many functions, but we are only going to focus on how to get the music to our Apple library without going through the subscription process. And this is what we need: the 3U2s application, our lightning cable, which is our charger that we use to charge our mobile device, the phone itself, and you need to connect your PC to the internet because some of the music file formats are not in the right format. So whilst important, this 3U2s will automatically convert it to match your iPhone music library file formats. So this is why we need the internet for this import too as well. I'll leave a link in the description where you can download this 3U2s application. After download, you install, you follow the procedures, and then it gives you another pop-up saying that install iTunes for it to function well. So you just need to click on install iTunes, so it installs iTunes so that this application can function very properly. After that, you come back to the application and you launch this application. So I'm going to launch this. I get a pop-up and I click on yes so that it launches it. So after the application is launched, this is what you should have as the interface for the 3U2s application, because nothing is connected to this 3U2. So this is what you should have. The next step is to just connect your lightning cable, which is our charger, to our PC and connect it to our mobile phone. So this is what I'm about to do right now, connecting my phone to my PC. Okay, so I have a success message saying that succeeded in connecting the device. For those of you who are this is your first time connecting your mobile phone to your PC through this application, you get a pop-up notice on your phone saying that, are you sure you want to connect your mobile device to the PC, with a yes or no option. So you just need to click on yes. You'll be given an option to type in your phone's password. So your phone's password will just pop up just like you want to log into your mobile device, and then you type in your phone's password to get your mobile device synchronized with the application so it can show this way. So this is the interface of the 3U2s when you connect your mobile device, and it shows the details of your mobile phone for use. But we are not interested in the details of the mobile phone right here. The next thing that we are going to do is we go to the music tab on the left panel right here. So we have the music tab here. I click on the music tab. You can see that I have a lot of music. I have a lot of songs in here. So these songs are songs that I've given to my iTunes library, which I don't pay for them, or I don't subscribe to keep them in my music library. They are just there forever till I decide to delete them, or I decide to add more, whatever that I decide to do with this music or these songs over there. So in adding the songs to your music library to be free from the subscriptions, maybe you're out of funds or you're tired of these subscriptions, because on the Apple library you need to subscribe to keep the music if the subscription ends. So if it ends, all the music in your downloads or your library will just disappear till you resubscribe. So this is another option where you can get a music to your Apple library and it's permanent. It's there forever until you delete them. So how do you do this? So there is a way here. We can click on import and then we select the music in which we want. So assuming you want to get new music onto your mobile device, you can download them to your PC, your favorite music, your latest songs, everything to a folder on your PC. And then the next step is you do this. You can click on the import, select a file, and then you choose the music in which you want. And if it's an entire folder, you just choose the select folder and then you select the entire folder. That's the first step. And then the second step is you can just drag and drop the music to the application. So let's say let me open a music folder on my computer. So I have music here. Yeah, music. And then let me go to maybe reggae. So I have this reggae folder, and let's say it is Bob Marley song saying coming in from the country or something, whatever that is written over there. So let's say I want to get this Bob Marley song to my phone, to my Apple Music library. This is what I'll do. The second option, which is dragging and dropping it. So I just need to drag it, and then I send it in here and drop it. So I'll wait. It says I'm waiting for import. Please wait. So it just takes like let's say 10 seconds to complete this. So you see, as you can see, it says that one music imported succeeded. So this is how you get a music to your music library without any subscription. So it's just free, and you can play any song anytime, any day. So I'll verify from my mobile phone with a screen recording and show you the music that we just imported. So the title was Bob Marley coming in from the country, I guess. And let's verify from my mobile device, and then we come back to the video. So guys, I'm going to head to my music library on my phone. So this is the Apple Music. I go in there. The next thing is to go to songs. So I go to songs, and it lists the songs on my phone. So all these songs you see right here, these songs are not subscribed music. I just did the same thing like what I just showed you. And I want to find this Bob Marley song. Bob Marley. So Bob Marley, as you can see, it's right here. So coming in from the code, and I can just play it. The music will play for you like you're using the subscribed Apple Music. So this is another way you can get music to your phone without paying for any Apple subscription.